Hi friends, welcome to the Plain Fun RC channel. I'm your host Saul. We've got a fantastic Riley bee. Been hoping this one would go up. The finish is stellar. It's owned by the gentleman who owns National Balsa. He just finished it very recently. Gorgeous plane, just meticulously done. And folks, the rallies are such a treat to look at. So folks, sit back, relax, throw on your flying scarf, put on your flying goggles, and enjoy the flight. Folks, we may lose this video here because we are about ready to run out of battery. I just noticed that. So I do apologize for that if the video ends abruptly. But hopefully he'll land before the battery goes out. Wood finish just gleams in the sunshine. for landing there, folks. Oh my goodness, just gorgeous, folks. Just gorgeous. We're just going to make it real simple here because that landing was right on the money, and that is tail dragger butter, folks. Tail dragger butter. You got such a gorgeous plane, gorgeous tail dragger. It makes such a perfect landing. What more could you ask for? Just wonderful. That finish, and folks, once again, that finish, you see that wood? That is not a paint job. That is not covering. That is actual wood there. That finish is stunning. All right, friends. More to come.